Hi there, check out the Briopaws shower bench, a waterproof and low-maintenance stool perfect for your bathroom. Made from high-density polyethylene, it looks like wood but resists cracking, fading, and rotting even in hard water. The ergonomic design features a smooth, curved seat, non-slip rubber feet, and rounded edges for safety and comfort. It includes handy handles and a storage shelf for towels and shower essentials, keeping your space organized. This versatile bench works great inside showers, as a plant stand, or a shoe-changing stool in your entryway. Assembly is quick and simple, with just a few parts and clear instructions. With a weight capacity of 350 pounds, this sturdy bench enhances your shower experience effortlessly. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.